Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is another street photography POV in Glasgow, and I'm using the Fuji XT5 with the Fuji 16mm lens on it. This first shot is just a kind of wee warm-up shot, and I kind of liked it in black and white. This next shot is a bit of street art. It's always usually got a car parked in front of it, so I grabbed a quick shot. It's by a street artist called Smug. One thing I'm always looking for is when I'm out doing street photography is reflections. I really like taking reflection shots. What I liked here was the light, and I just tried to get a low angle for people walking by. I always look for pockets of light, like this strip of light here, and it's good contrast between the dark and the light, and if you expose for the light, it makes your darks really quite dark, and it always kind of gives you a nice shot. As you can see here, Glasgow's a great place for street art. Loads of it. There's actually street art walks you can go on. Again, just another wee reflection shot here. Again here, looking for the light. As you can see the light down here at the end of the building with the person standing in it. Again, exposed for the light, so your darks are dark and you get a good contrast. This one here was just a quick shot from the hip. As I said earlier on in the video, I do like a reflection shot, and you'll see in this video I do take a few more. Again, another wee quick shot from the hip using zone focusing. It'd be great if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel. It would really help me grow. Here again in this next photo, again looking for the light, exposing it to the light to try and get the good contrast between dark and light. Here again is another shot with the contrast between the dark and light. I like sometimes looking for wee bits like this where people are walking into the light, so they're just kind of stepping out the darkness. Another thing I always look for when I'm looking for reflections is things like marble walls. You can get really nice reflections off marble. So here's the last shot of this part of the video. It would be great, as I said, if you could like and subscribe and tune into the next part of the video, which will be coming soon. So the last shot again is another reflection shot. I seen the window and a mirror inside the window.